There she is again.
Really?
Yep.
That's on your reservoir, huh?
Come on, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it.
Got it.
Yeah, get the fucking net.
I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Ready?
Woo, baby! Woo! Yeah! Woo! All right! Yes!
Finally! Dad, get the fucking...
The hook's out.
Yeah, good.
That ain't the same fish.
No? Nope. Oh, yeah, it's 36, 37 there, huh? You're funny when you catch a fish. Good work.
Yeah.
Hey, your legs are shaking.
Yeah?
It's okay, little girl. You just hang on. We got you.
On figure eight, Pa.
Yeah.
Did you watch it?
Yeah. I saw your rod bed. There. I had to hook up my freaking hook and everything. Come on. Not a big one, but it's a muskie.
Okay, all you have to do is click that button right there.
The bottom button. Okay,
camera
gotcha. Let's see. Where's
So,
the sun?
right here. Sun's here.
Okay, you're gonna be up front.
Yeah. Okay, grab the handle.
I got the handle. It ain't going nowhere. They heard that back at the campsite for crying out loud.
Come here, girl. Hey, it's okay. Woo hoo hoo.
She's got some spunk yet. She went in the net pretty quick.
Come on. We gotta get the net out of the water more.
Yep. She got too much land here. Let me get it over the top. There you go. Hang on there, girl.
Tape measure. Oh well.
We'll just mark it on the side. I got a tape measure in there, and the bottom button is there. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Come on, go. It's not working. Come on, camera. Come on, camera. Oh, wait, camera.